Hi, everybody. This year, the junior high school staff will be piloting a program online that allows us to schedule parent-teacher conferences in individual 10-minute time slots. The technology advisors are going to show you how to do this at the workshop tomorrow, but if you'd like to watch this video and attempt to do it on your own, feel free. First thing that you're going to do is go to www.wbschools.org. That's going to take you to the district website. From there, you're going to go to the junior high school page, and you can scroll down and find the online scheduler. And what you're going to be asked to do is log in as a teacher, which is in the upper left-hand corner where it says teachers. Click on that. It's going to ask you to enter in your email address. So you go ahead and enter your email address. Now, the default password is your last name, all lowercase letters. So I've already changed mine, so I'm going to use the password that I created previously. When I log in, the first screen that'll come up is the schedule. What you're going to see when you log in is this option here. It's going to make you change your password. You do not have an option to keep the password they gave you. You must make a new one. So you're going to go ahead and enter that in twice. You can go ahead and select the grade that you teach. If you teach multiple grades, maybe just put the grade that you teach most. I teach 7th grade mostly. You can change the salutation. It has your name there. Please enter the room that you're going to have your conferences in. Mine is H9, Shop 4. And the only thing that you may want to change is should student attend the conference. The default would be yes. You can go ahead and switch that to no, and then click Change Info. From there, you're going to be redirected now back to the actual schedule. And if you don't, you can click on the link that'll take you to the schedule. So here's the schedule, 8 a.m., 10-minute increments all the way down until the 5:50 time slot because we go till 6 o'clock. Now, we do have scheduled breaks from 11:15 to 12:15 for lunch. So I'm going to show you how to block that out. There is no 15-minute increments or 5-minute increments, I should say. So you're going to just block out from 12:10, and you're going to work your way down. So I'm going to go ahead and check off the following time slots all the way down until we get to 1:10. And now I want to change all of these to blocked out. So rather than doing them individually, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Update Selected Time Slots. Click on that. Just click OK to verify. And when we go back to the schedule, you'll see that those time frames are blocked out. We also have another scheduled break from 2:15 until 3 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and check off 2:10 and all the way up until the 2:50, and then go ahead and change all of those at once as well. Okay, you do have an option if you feel the need. Let's just make sure that changed, and it did. You do have the option to create 5-minute time slots or certain selected time slots if you want. You can show you how to do that now. You can go down to here. So it's Friday the 16th. What hour? So say I wanted to make an appointment for 8:05. I would go to 8, select the 5-minute mark, and go ahead and add time to schedule. Once again, hit OK to verify, and you'll see that now I have a time slot at 8:05 on the 16th. Right? If you want to go ahead and get rid of that for some reason, you can go ahead and click on the X. If you do want to create additional 5-minute time slots, so say I wanted one at 8:15, I would then have to go back down and repeat that process for each time slot that I wanted to create. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one more. And here's 8. I want to make one for 15, so it's 8:15. Go ahead and add to the schedule. Click OK, and you'll see that now we have a additional time slot for 8:15. This might be a good idea for the specials who maybe have more students that they have to meet parents for. So if that's the case, you can go ahead and change that. If not, you can leave them in the 10-minute time slot increments. Okay, hope this helps. If you need any additional assistance, myself, Pam, and Jillian will be in the downstairs computer lab over by the school store all day tomorrow. That'll be on Wednesday, the 24th, to assist you in any way possible. And of course, you can always email us with any questions as well. Thank you, and hope this helps.